So I have another one of those 3D printed designs I've made that is kind of a fail. It's not really a fail, but it didn't live up to my expectations. And I want to make a sauce cup dispenser for the spare sauces I have from McDonald's. If I can keep things in frame. We'll zoom out just a little bit. And thought I'd do like a hopper top feed type thing. I put a little slot down the middle, thinking, you grab the cup and slowly drop it down and whatnot. But it has a couple designs I don't like, and this isn't the full print. Luckily I did a test print before committing to a full 7-hour print, because I was like, I'm not super confident in my design, but we'll see. I originally thought you'd be able to like grab it like this, pinch it, get it out, but I didn't cut the recess deep enough, and I realized even if I would have, it's easier to just pinch it out and slide it out this way. Pinch it by the edge of the lip, but it's just not very good ergonomics. And I wanted to make it magnetic or screw mountable, but since I didn't fully print it, I never got a chance to see if the magnetic mounts would be strong enough. This would have been enough to hold 5 sauce cups total, so it would have been about sideways, would have been about that tall. So you figure 4 more above this line here. But I am uploading the model because I think it should work, but it just wasn't a good enough design for my liking. I need to kind of start from the ground up. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so you can pinch it from the sides, which means I'm going to cut out basically a large portion of this. And then, you can kind of, basically the thought is to be able to, grab it, pinch it from the sides and slide it out versus having to pinch the lip. And the other issue I ran into is there's a lot more variance in these sauce cups than I realized. So this one's bigger than this one. Also, it's not, you can tell the labeling's not cut as nicely and aligned, but yeah, kind of a failed design, but I'm gonna upload it anyways because I think it'll work. It's just not up to my personal expectations or standards of what I would like it to be. But I don't know, just thought I'd make a video showing it off to explain what happened. And thanks for watching.